Hi, I'm Lisa, and I'd like to welcome you to Miss Lisa's Learning Hub. And now for our word of the week. Our word this week is flourish. Flourish means to grow or develop vigorously, to be in a thriving or successful state. So when you are flourishing, you are doing very well. Anything that is flourishing is prosperous, it's successful, it is doing well. Some synonyms which mean the same as flourish would be to thrive, succeed, or prosper. Some antonyms which are opposites of the word flourish would be to fail, decline, or wither. In the sentence, the flowers in my garden are flourishing this spring, so they're doing awesome. In our second sentence, the business has flourished under the new management, so again, it's doing very well. All right, that's it for our word of the week. If you enjoyed this lesson, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.